From the moment humanity created the wheel, machines have defined our progress. They've hauled our burdens, powered our industries, and connected our world. Today, we stand on the brink of a new era, an age of autonomous machines. Self-driving cars, delivery drones, and AI-powered robots are no longer science fiction. They are here reshaping how we live, work, and move through the world. But as these tireless, precise machines become an integral part of our daily lives, they also pose profound questions. What does it mean for a machine to be truly autonomous? Who is responsible when things go wrong? And how do we ensure that these intelligent machines serve humanity's best interests? Welcome to this series where we'll explore the rise of autonomous machines, their impact on our world, and the challenges and opportunities they present. Join us as we navigate the complexities of artificial intelligence, robotics, and the future of work. Our journey begins with a look at how autonomous machines are transforming industries and aspects of modern life. Consider the humble car. Once a luxury, now an essential part of our transportation infrastructure. Cars have given us freedom and mobility, but they come with responsibilities. The need for parking, the cost of maintenance, and the constant threat they pose to human life. Self-driving cars promise to revolutionize this. Powered by artificial intelligence and advanced sensors, they could navigate roads with near-perfect precision, eliminating the errors that cause most accidents. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past, where vehicles communicate seamlessly, and where roads are used more efficiently. Self-driving vehicles could also bring greater mobility to those who cannot drive, such as the elderly or the visually impaired, opening up new possibilities for independent living. But it's not just on the roads where autonomous machines are making their mark. Across the globe, industries are integrating robots and AI systems that can perform tasks with greater speed, accuracy, and endurance than any human could match. In logistics, autonomous trucks could soon be transporting goods across continents without the need for human drivers. In agriculture, AI-powered drones and robots are already assisting with planting, spraying crops, and monitoring livestock. And in manufacturing, collaborative robots are working alongside human colleagues, taking on repetitive tasks and improving workplace safety. But alongside these benefits, concerns about job displacement and economic inequality loom large. As machines become more capable, there is a very real risk that certain segments of the population may be left behind. It is crucial to address these challenges proactively through education, training, and social safety nets to ensure that the benefits of technological progress are shared by all. But the rise of autonomous machines also presents an ethical dilemma. How do we program machines to make decisions in complex, unpredictable situations? How do we ensure that these machines operate safely and reliably? And what happens when autonomous systems make mistakes? These are not hypothetical questions. They are questions we must answer as we move forward. Take, for example, the case of the self-driving car navigating an unavoidable accident. Should it swerve to avoid a pedestrian, even if it means hitting another car? These are the kinds of moral and ethical quandaries that we need to address as a society and to program into our machines. As we delve deeper into this series, we'll explore these issues through the lens of real-world examples, engaging with experts and thought leaders who are shaping the future of autonomous machines. We'll investigate how AI systems process information, the ethical frameworks being developed to guide their behavior, and the legal and regulatory systems that will hold them accountable. This is more than just a technological evolution. It is a profound shift in how we interact with machines and with each other. So join us in this exploration. Ask yourself what role you want to play in the future of autonomous machines and be part of the conversation that will help shape it. Together, we can harness the immense potential of autonomous machines to create a better, precise, more efficient, and more equitable world for all.